Okay, I'm finally getting to ride this. This is the elevator here at the Macy store at the Willowbrook Mall in Wayne, New Jersey. The store is getting renovated, so hopefully this elevator won't get modernized. Oh, here it is. Probably gonna be people in it. Come on. Oh, it's empty. Let's press the original panel. Door close does not work. Wow, this is an amazing elevator. Newer EPCO Circle Line buttons over here. Let's get a cab view. This is an amazing vintage elevator. I've always wanted to ride this, and now I'm finally getting to ride it. We'll take it for another ride or two. Alright, let's go for one more ride. Going up?
Yep.
Which floor?
2.
It's got Haughton plate on the door track. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Oh, the door close works on the EPCO Circle Line panel. This is an amazing elevator. All right. This is the original panel. I love these fixtures. Like I said, the store is getting renovated, so hopefully this elevator won't get modernized. I'll be super pissed if this elevator gets modernized. And it's got the Haughton plate on the door track. Alright, let's ring the bell. Oh, there's one up. Here we go. That's it.